I'm letting everybody go. No. Go to badflag.com. That's right. Bad. BAD. Flag. FLAG.com. Buy your flags that you can fly on your car, no matter where you live. You can get the Gaston flag. You can get the American flag. You can get the Blue Lives Matter flag. You can get different kind of flags to fly on your car. Believe me, I do a certain speed limit where I live, where I think the flagpole is gonna blow off. But these magnets that come with the flagpoles, they can withstand winds of high. Remember, the speed limit in New Jersey is 65 miles per hour. You can go 10 miles over the speed limit in the state of New Jersey. You don't see not one cop in the state of New Jersey on the highway anymore. They defunded the cops so much, you don't see not one cop. So you can race up and down the parkway. You can race up and down certain areas. There's no cops. They defunded the cops in New Jersey. So big. A lot of people have different kind of apps that tells you what cops are. A lot of people are fed up, so they tag a cop that's in a certain area and the cop's not there in a certain area because people are fed up with people speeding around, racing up and down the highway, doing 80, 90 miles per hour on the highway. They tag a cop in a certain area, cop's not there. They slow down for that 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and then they speed right back up to that 80, 90 miles per hour up and down the Garden State Parkway or the Turnpike. You can race up and down. It's so easy to race up and down the Parkway and the Garden State Turnpike in New Jersey. There's not that many cops. Murphy defunded a lot of cops. Look, if you come to New Jersey, you'll see big billboards going up. Become a state trooper in the state of New Jersey. People don't want to become cops anymore because there's too many people, too many left-wing people that are going at the cops, shooting at cops, all that stuff. There's so many positions that got to be filled in the police department in different parts of New Jersey. Even state troopers, they do make 80 grand, 90 grand a year. State troopers, but nobody wants to deal with that anymore because think about it. Are you going to get shot at? Are you going to try to get run off the road? Are you going to get hit coming out of your car to write a ticket? Nobody wants to become a cop anymore. People rather be a construction worker or whatever. Don't worry about, risking their lives about something that they don't get respect for, especially in New Jersey and New York. All the migrants and everything, beating up cops and everything in New York. People gotta face the facts. The Democrats are so anti-cop. So anti-cop. So anti-law enforcement. Look at Texas, the Border Patrol. They had to let the people run in. This is why Governor Abbott in the state of Texas said, screw it, I'm building a military base. Why are you building a military base? Because I want to keep my homeland safe. These are people that served in the military. These are people that are proud of their country. They want to stick up for their country. As the Democrats keep on taking money from the cartels, billions of dollars from the cartels. Think about it. Every person that comes in to America, that one person pays the cartels, Mexican cartels, $5,000 per person. Cartels are smuggling these people in from Venezuela, all these different parts of South America. Cartels, they're shooting at the Border Patrol. They're shooting at people. If you don't pay the $5,000, they kill you, or they kill your family, or they kill your kid. So you gotta pay that $5 grand. Pay attention, everybody. Go to badflag.com, buy your flagpole, fly that American flag on your car or that Gaston flag on your car. Do not tread on me flag. Show this government that we are fed up with their bullcrap. As Joe Biden is pushing his agenda on people, oh, but why don't they build another Ellis Island? They could build a big Ellis Island at the border between America and Mexico. Go to bagflag.com. Fly them flags on your car. They can withstand a lot of wind. You could do 70, 80 miles per hour on highways. You can't really do it in New York because New York has a lot of cops. Even Jersey don't have no cops at all. But they defund the cops so bad, people don't want to become cops anymore. You see it on big billboards everywhere on the Turnpike and the Parkway. Become a state trooper. Make the roads safer. Go to NewJerseyTrooper.com and fill your application out. But people don't want to do it. Why? Because they don't want to risk their lives. Like I said before, you're pulling over a person. You don't know where his intentions is. You don't know how bad his criminal background is. You don't know if he has a family member driving behind. That family member can swerve right into you, kill you, drag you. You're no more. And then there's one cop, one state trooper per cop car. There's no two like New York. There's only one person in every car, state trooper car. Even regular cars in New Jersey. Regular police department cars in New Jersey. There's one cop. There's no two cops. Well, they got a call for backup. Their backup might be 20 minutes behind them, 30 minutes behind them. Remember, that car can go 70, 80, 90 miles per hour easy. But you can't do that through certain blocks and certain streets in these areas. So we got to stick up for our law enforcement. Go to badflag.com, bad, BADFLAG.com. Buy your flagpole. Buy the thin blue line. Stick up for our cops and our firemen. Stick up for our EMS. Stick up for our families that are in the military. Pay attention. This is what the Democrats want to do, everybody. They want to defund cops where you have no cops at all. Cops don't want to even become cops anymore. They retire. Look, they're begging for people to become cops in New York. They don't have enough cops. Everybody, this is what their little agenda is. Get rid of law and order. Rioting in the streets. Antifa in the streets. Antifa is owned by George Soros. He paid billions of dollars to get rid of Trump out of office. Pay attention, everybody. Have a good one. Badflag.com. Fly your flags on your truck with these big suction cups that never come off. Have a good one.